What is the primary purpose of FlowBuilder in Salesforce? A. To design user interfaces. B. To automate business processes. C. To generate reports and dashboards. D. To manage user permissions. The answer is B. To automate business processes. Which of the following elements can be used to create flows in FlowBuilder? A. Apex classes. B. Visualforce pages. C. Flow elements. D. Workflow rules. The answer is C. Flow elements. What type of flows can be created using FlowBuilder? A. Workflow flows. B. Approval flows. C. Screen flows. D. Email flows. The answer is C. Screen flows. Which of the following is not a standard component of FlowBuilder? A. Record update. B. Decision. C. Screen. D. Email alert. The answer is D. Email alert. What is the maximum number of elements allowed in a single flow in FlowBuilder? A. 50. B. 100. C. 200. D. 500. The answer is C. 200. What is the purpose of a decision element in FlowBuilder? A. To send an email notification. B. To update a record. C. To route the flow based on specified criteria. D. To display information on a screen. The answer is C. To route the flow based on specified criteria. Which of the following statements about screen elements in FlowBuilder is true? A. They are used for backend processing only. B. They allow users to input data or make selections. C. They can only be accessed by system administrators. D. They are not compatible with mobile devices. The answer is B. They allow users to input data or make selections. In FlowBuilder, what is a resource? A. A Salesforce user. B. An external system connected to Salesforce. C. A reusable element such as a variable or formula. D. A record in a custom object. The answer is C. A reusable element such as a variable or formula. What is the main benefit of using FlowBuilder over Process Builder for automation tasks? A. FlowBuilder has a simpler user interface. B. FlowBuilder can handle more complex logic and interactions. C. Process Builder is deprecated and no longer supported. D. Process Builder is more cost-effective for small businesses. The answer is B. FlowBuilder can handle more complex logic and interactions. Which of the following is not a flow type in FlowBuilder? A. Auto-launched flows. B. Scheduled flows. C. Screen flows. D. Triggered flows. The answer is D. Triggered flows. What is the purpose of a subflow in FlowBuilder? A. To create a secondary flow within the main flow. B. To automatically trigger a flow based on a specified event. C. To validate user input before proceeding with the main flow. D. To schedule a flow to run at a specific time. The answer is A. To create a secondary flow within the main flow. Which of the following actions can be performed using FlowBuilder? A. Sending outbound emails. B. Creating custom objects. C. Generating reports. D. Updating related records. The answer is D. Updating related records. What is the primary benefit of using screen flows in FlowBuilder? A. They provide a visual representation of complex workflows. B. They allow for the creation of custom user interfaces. C. They enable integration with external systems. D. They are specifically designed for back-end processing. The answer is B. They allow for the creation of custom user interfaces. What is the main advantage of using FlowBuilder compared to writing custom code in Salesforce? A. FlowBuilder requires less training for administrators. B. FlowBuilder is more efficient in handling complex business logic. C. FlowBuilder is cheaper to implement and maintain. D. FlowBuilder is only accessible to developers. The answer is A. FlowBuilder requires less training for administrators. Which of the following flow types allows for the automation of repetitive tasks at a specific time or date? A. Auto-launched flows. B. Scheduled flows. C. Screen flows. D. Record-triggered flows. The answer is B. Scheduled flows. In FlowBuilder, what is the purpose of the record update element? A. To create a new record in Salesforce. B. To delete records from the Salesforce database. C. To update the values of fields on a specified record. D. To search for records that meet specific criteria. The answer is C. To update the values of fields on a specified record. Which of the following elements in FlowBuilder is used to collect input from users during the flow execution? A. Assignment. B. Decision. C. Screen. D. Record update. The answer is C. Screen. Which of the following elements in FlowBuilder is used to collect input from users during the flow execution? A. Assignment. B. Decision. C. Screen. D. Record update. The answer is C. Screen. Which of the following elements in FlowBuilder is used to collect input from users during the flow execution? A. Assignment. B. Decision. C. Screen. D. Record update. The answer is C. Screen. In FlowBuilder, what is the purpose of the wait element? A. To pause the flow execution for a specified duration. B. To terminate the flow if certain conditions are met. C. To redirect the flow to a different path based on user input. D. To trigger a subflow within the main flow. The answer is A. To pause the flow execution for a specified duration. Which of the following statements best describes the relationship between FlowBuilder and Process Builder? A. FlowBuilder is an older version of Process Builder. B. Process Builder is a subset of FlowBuilder. C. FlowBuilder and Process Builder are separate tools with different functionalities. D. FlowBuilder and Process Builder are interchangeable terms for the same tool. The answer is C. FlowBuilder and Process Builder are separate tools with different functionalities. Which of the following statements about FlowBuilder is true? A. Flows can only be executed in Lightning Experience. B. Flows can be invoked from within Salesforce mobile apps. C. Flows are limited to a maximum of 3 screen elements. D. Flows cannot interact with Salesforce data. The answer is B. Flows can be invoked from within Salesforce mobile apps. What is the purpose of a record lookup element in FlowBuilder? A. To search for records in Salesforce based on specified criteria. B. To create a new record in Salesforce. C. To update the values of fields on a specified record. D. To delete records from the Salesforce database. The answer is A. To search for records in Salesforce based on specified criteria. Which of the following actions can be performed using FlowBuilder without writing any code? A. Integrating with an external system. B. Implementing complex business logic. C. Creating custom Lightning components. D. Sending email notifications. The answer is D. Sending email notifications. Which of the following is not a valid input-output type for variables in FlowBuilder? A. Text. B. Number. C. Date time. D. Record type. The answer is D. Record type. What is the purpose of the fast lookup element in FlowBuilder? A. To retrieve data from an external system. B. To quickly search for records in Salesforce based on specified criteria. C. To perform calculations on numeric fields. D. To generate reports of flow execution results. The answer is B. To quickly search for records in Salesforce based on specified criteria. What is the purpose of the loop and decision element in FlowBuilder? A. To execute a series of actions repeatedly based on specified criteria. B. To terminate the flow if a certain condition is met. C. To redirect the flow to different paths based on user input. D. To trigger a subflow within the main flow. The answer is C. To redirect the flow to different paths based on user input. What is the primary benefit of using FlowBuilder's debugging tools? A. Identifying performance bottlenecks in flows. B. Generating comprehensive documentation for flows. C. Optimizing flows for mobile devices. D. Testing and troubleshooting flow logic before deployment. The answer is D. Testing and troubleshooting flow logic before deployment. Which of the following actions is not possible with screen flows in FlowBuilder? A. Collecting input from users. B. Displaying information to users. C. Executing Apex code. D. Redirecting users to different screens based on their input. The answer is C. Executing Apex code. Which of the following flow types in FlowBuilder can be triggered by changes to records in Salesforce? A. Auto-launched flows. B. Scheduled flows. C. Screen flows. D. Record-triggered flows. The answer is D. Record-triggered flows.